To my blog. Today's topic is skillet enchilada pasta. It's very easy to make and it's very healthy. Put four cups of uncooked pasta, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, 1 diced green pepper, 1 cup of frozen corn, 1 can of black beans, 4 cups of water. Cook until 12 to 15 minutes. Add 1 cup cheddar cheese shredded. Cook until melted and add enchilada sauce and got a great meal.